In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto tagging in Google Ads. This is a crucial step if you want to accurately track the performance of your ads and gain deeper insights into user behavior. Auto tagging is an essential feature that automatically adds a parameter to the URLs people click through from your ads. This helps you gather detailed information about how your campaigns are doing in Google Analytics. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, open up your browser and head over to Google Ads to access your account. You'll want to make sure you're at the Overview section. This is where most of your account's crucial control panels and statistics live. If you haven't signed in yet, do so with the appropriate credentials. Once you're there, prepare to move over to the next step, which will get you to where we need to be to begin this process. Now that you're in the Overview, look closely at the navigation pane on the left-hand side of your Google Ads interface. Click on the Admin section. This section is essentially the hub for all settings related to your Google Ads account. You will access various options here, and the one you're seeking is labeled Account Settings. Admin is where you get to customize how your account operates, so familiarize yourself with the surroundings for future use as well. After you have clicked on Admin, your next stop is Account Settings. In Account Settings, you'll see a variety of options available. Among these options, find and select Auto Tagging. Auto tagging is specifically designed to help link your Google Ads account with Google Analytics, and this linkage is what enables the detailed tracking we are aiming for. By default, this feature is usually turned off, which is why it's crucial to enable it now. With auto tagging clearly visible, you will see a checkbox next to the option. Click on the box to select auto tagging. By doing this, you're choosing to enable the feature, allowing Google to automatically add a unique identifying tag, known as a GCLID, to your ad's URL. This stands for Google Click Identifier, and it's what allows analytics to track being on the same page. Finally, make sure to save your settings by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. This may seem like a simple step, but it's a necessary one to ensure that any change made is committed to your account. After saving, you've not only enabled auto tagging, but also ensured that your ads data will start flowing into your Google Analytics. That's it. By following these clear steps, you should now have auto tagging enabled in your Google Ads account, giving you better insights and tracking capability within Google Analytics. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.